Programming your Infiniti G35 key fob yourself can save money compared to dealership costs. This guide focuses specifically on 2003 through 2006 model year G35 vehicles. Before starting, ensure your vehicle has a healthy battery and you have a compatible key fob, ideally an original equipment manufacturer replacement. The process involves synchronizing the fob's 314 MHz radio frequency signals with your car's immobilizer system. While some use OBD2 scanners for verification, the core method remains a manual sequence of ignition cycles and button presses. Success rates are high, but timing is crucial. In this video, we will cover the specific steps involved to do this yourself without needing dealership tools. Before starting, ensure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Have a working key and a compatible fob using Nissan part numbers like 28268 CD000. To enter programming mode, insert your key and turn the ignition to ACC position. Then press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob in rapid sequence within 10 to 15 seconds. Turn the ignition off and repeat this process for each fob you want to program, up to 4 total. Common pitfalls include timing errors, where the sequence must be exact, and weak fob batteries. If programming fails, reset the body control module and try again. Consider using an OBD2 adapter to read error codes and confirm programming.